All right, next morning we pulled it out. Beautiful outside today. It is very hot. Go ahead and get the bumper painted, and then we'll bring it back. Bringing you all back for the bumper. I've already got it based and pearled. 2.5 coats of pearl. Put some clear on it. When I say half, what half means is first coat, normal, passes 75%. Second coat, normal, but right after that second coat, you come back 12 inches, don't change anything on the gun. Don't change pressure, fan, anything. And just come back 12 inches with the same passes. That's what a half coat means. That is similar to a drop coat, but it needs to be done right after the second coat. Because that second coat's still wet, that half coat drops into that wet coat to orientate the metallics, the pearls, or whatever it might be. All done. Gotta send it to wash. Bumpers all put up. Beautiful. Paint match. A little wet. See what we got going on over here. We got Chris working, teaching them, training them, getting the bumper ready.